namin. Mag-ano kami, ita-transfer namin yung mango trees na itinanim ko. 2 years ago na nakatanim dito. Ngayon, medyo malaki na siya. So, ita-transfer namin ng lugar ba? Para, kasi lalaki na siya. Kasi lalaki to eh. Ayan siya oh. Ayan na siya oh. Mango ko, ayun. Tapos eto. Dalawa siya. Ito ang ano ko. Ayan, nandito kami sa backyard. Si Habi. Ayan. Nagbubungkal. Ayan. Diyan namin ilalagay. Ayan sila oh. Ayan. Dati, ang nakatanim dyan, pomegranate. Pomegranate ba tawag dun? Granada kung sa Tagalog daw. Sa Pilipinas. Namamatay na, kaya binunot na. Pinatay na lang. Tapos, ililipat ni Habi na yung mangga ko dyan. Yay! Lalagay niya na yung mangga ko dyan. Kasi guys na to, matagal na nakatanim dito. Ayan. Akala ko nga hindi mabubuhay eh. Ayan. Sa wakas, may mangga na rin ako. Sa wakas, may mangga na din ako. Yay! Kasi yung kabila naman, ayun, may mangga din siya doon. Ayun, no. Yung kabilang, next door. Kapitbahay.
Hi, guys.
Yan, dito kami lahat. Ang natira lang doon sa loob, si Bunso, si Ruben. Pinapakinggan ko pa umiyak. Ayan, busy si Habi magkalkal. Ayan. Kasi lalakit eh, kaya. May bunga na pala yung nandun, no? May bunga na yun sa kapitbahay. Ayun yung mangga ng kapitbahay dun. Ayan. Ala, takbo na takbo yung anak ko. Ayan. Kailangan malaging. Oy, baka malaglag ka din sa butas. He might fall down in the hole. He wants to have a look. What's that inside? What's that in there? What's that there? Ano yan nasa loob? What's that? Oh, you're gonna shoot your ball there? You're gonna shoot your ball there? Huh? Yan.
Hey guys! I can juggle. Oh! I can juggle.
David?
Let's do it.
David, come here.
Mango. Big enough now.
Yay, may mango. Yay, may mango. It's too deep. Kulit ng anak ko, oh. Ang kulit ng anak ko, oh.
David.
Itatanim kita dyan, David, eh. Kulit-kulit, eh. Nakakapanggigil, eh. Yay, may mango. Maganda bunga niyan, eh. Pero ang gusto ko sana yung isa na yun, oh. Maasim yan.
Bricks. Mango like that one. It's ready to grow. Oh.
Oh, don't pull it, David. Ano pupunutin? Ah! He sit down. You look like in the beach. Hey, like in the beach.
You look like it.
Ay, nako, ang anak ko naman. Tinabihan na yung mango ni Mommy. Tinabihan na yung mango ni Mommy. Ano ba naman yan? Hey, Baba. Nak, ano ba yan?
Ow, ow, ow.
Did you get the water na? Ang sarap ng hangin dito sa likod. Pag gantong oras, anong oras na ba? Ano kasi, mga 5 na siguro dito. And then yung isang mango, itatransfer ni Habi sa pot. Yung isang mango.
Hi guys.
Yan, ayun na. Lalagay dun sa isa.
Oh! I think it's okay.
Are you sure? Hey! What's that, David? Oh, you put there. Good boy. That's a wombat, honey?
Yeah, wombat.
Wombat? Yeah, that's wombat. David. Oh, you put in there. Ayan, nilinis ni Habi yung mga ano ko, yung mga tanim ko. Kasi ang dami ng ano, talbos ng kamote. Binawasan yung talbos ng kamote. Ayan na siya. Ayan, may tinira konti. Wait, ay David, come here. No, no, no. Don't go there. Yay! May mango na ako. Lalaki na. Mabilis lang siya lumaki. Yes, I like it. Kasi paglaki mo, malaki na rin yan. Yung mango ko. Oh, pag nagdalaga ka.
Is his bigger than me?
Ariko. Ayan, lilipat ni Abby yung isa dun sa pot. David, come here. Ilang puno pala yan, oh.
Okay, mommy. Oh.
Hey, that's not yours.
Not really good.
All together.
What's that? Oh.
I think it's only one. That's one seed.
Yeah, it's one seed. Epic pen.
Mommy's laughing.
That's only one plant.
Yeah, pretty well.
I can separate or no? It will die?
Yeah,
Maybe it will die.
that's only one seed.
Dad, where are you?
Oh my god, it's so heavy.
Yeah, no, it's that heavy. That pot. That pot is heavy. And I thought.
Hey, don't kill me. My chili.
Oh, my chili. Oh, no. Oh,
So
chili.
muddy now.
Oh, look at that plant there. There.
Video ka ba?
Yeah.
Okay. Ayusin mong video ha.
That's how Mom's going. And look at that plant here. So big. But not too big or not too small. It's just that pot.
Dapat biniligan dito din ni Daddy yung
So my mom. Oh yeah. Oh, David's playing. Look what he's doing. David.
mamamatay itong chili ko eh.
What?
My chili.
Oh, Mom. Made it. Oh, chili there. Oh,
You know my chili, it will die.
oh, chili right
Merong
there.
hindi nabuhay oh. There's some seed na hindi nabuhay.
Oh, good.
Hindi namin ito.
Good, Mom. That's how it looks like when I do it. There's Mommy and there's Daddy. Oh
Marami na
no!
naman ng
Oh
kamote.
no!
Daming laman
That's
ng
what I was
kamote.
showing you before, guys.
Natalsikan kami.
Talsingkan ako din eh. You know. Oh. There is the plant. Planting it.
David, come here. Okay na.
It's that big. What Dad's doing.
Put it back. See water. He's looking at it where it's from. The water. He's looking the hose. Sabi niya siguro saan galing kaya yung water.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, he will play again the water. His shoes it will get wet. Mamaya baka umiiyak na si Bunso. Eh? It's sleeping.
Oi, oi, baby. Oi, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, she's dead. Singing. Singing. Can I touch this, please? Ah, ew.
Yan, dito. Kunin daw si Bunso, sabi ni husband. Eh, natutulog. Eh, gigisingin niya para may itutulog pa mamaya ang gabi.
My hands.
Oh, naglalaro ng tubig. Hindi naman yan sa tap water guys eh. Doon yan galing sa tangke. Alam mo yung galing sa tangke. Tapos, naipon sa tangke siya. Galing siya, tubig ulan siya. Tubig ulan. Ayan, dyan. Kaya, ayun yung dinidilig namin dito. Yung ayan. Chili. Ayan. Wala nang bunga yung mulberry. Yung bees. Oh, ang daming bees oh. Ang daming nag-ipon-ipon sila oh. Magagabi na kasi eh. Kaya yung bees, nakaano na sila. Ayan oh. Ay!
Oh my God!
Nasa ulo ko. Wait lang. Baka sumabit sa ulo ko sila.
Mom,
Huwag ka nang sumama dito. Ayan oh. Ayan oh. Dami nila oh. Look at that. Siguro may puno na yan ng honey. Kaya ang dami na nila dyan. Pineapple. Ang dumi dito. Oy. Patayin ko na yan. Tubig. Sayang pandilig. Lagyan mo to. I'm gonna, water my, malunggay.
Oh, my mom is going to the...
Water the malunggay.
Yeah, water the malunggay. My good mommy is planning everything. I love my mom. She's my favorite. She loves me too. Oh, a butterfly is catching me. There it is, guys.
Layo ka ng konti para makita nila.
That's what they look like when you plant it on the ground. And there's more on that one. Oh, that one's dying, man.
Namatay na yung isang malunggay.
Oh, Mom.
Ew.
Look at that.
Flower.
Look at that flower. Isn't it cool, guys?
May lemon, ayun oh. Ay, orange yata to.
That's orange there. Oh, maybe that's lemon. Oh, there's orange there.
Orange.
Oh, Mom, look, orange. See one right there.
Yeah.
Want to get it?
Huwag na.
Okay.
Okay.
There, somewhere up here. Maybe they will sting you later. Can you see it right there? A bit small there. See that? You can see that far away. There's David. He's so cute. There's my dad. There's Ruben.
Yan, yung bata ayaw na pumasok sa loob. Nasarapan na magano. Gustong-gusto niya lagi sa sa water. Hello, Papa. That's our youngest. He's so smiling. Boy, he's so cheeky. He's so cheeky, Papa. Cheeky, Papa. Namamasa si David. Nambabasa si David.
That's Ruben.
David playing water. Ayan, ayaw pa
He's
umuwi.
freezing.
Nababasa na kami. David, let's go inside. It's getting starts get cold.
You gotta change yourself, David. You gotta shower first.
You need to turn off the water first.
Yeah, turn. Do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it.
Oh, finish. Empty the water now. See?
So empty.
Let's go. Okay.
It's not close enough.
Okay, uwi-uwi na. Pasok na sa loob. Ayaw pumasok, oh. Ah.
Is that still on?
No.
Still on.
Kami ng bahay. Umiiyak na si David. Gusto na ayaw pang umuwi. Gusto pa maglaro na maglaro. Luko-luko talaga. Ano, that's alright. That's alright. Yes, Papa. Wow naman. Wala ng water. That's okay. Malamig na kasi. Lalamigin ka. It's cold na. It's cold na outside. Mahangin. That's alright. Good boy. Ayan. That's it for today, guys. Ayan. Thank you for watching. See you again. Our next video. Bye-bye, guys, for today. That's for today. At ngayon nakatanim na ng nailipat na yung mangga sa paglalagyan. Don't cry, David. Umiiyak siya kasi ayaw umuwi, ayaw pumasok sa loob ng bahay. Gusto maglaro ng tubig. Chiki, chiki, chiki. Chiki, chiki, chiki. Okay, bye-bye.